So today we gonna go from this to this. Yeah, buddy, let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Today is about the GX460. It's gonna be about the power folding mirrors. Now, you know what's strange is that a $40,000 to $48,000 Lexus NX has automatic power folding mirrors, and your $60,000 to $70,000 Lexus GX460 don't have the automatic power folding mirrors. And today we are going to fix this for just $62 with this little thing. Now, this is the box that it came in, and it looks like this. Now, if you have a 2020 to 2023, this is the one for you. And if you have a 2010 to 2019, it's another one, and I will put the links below for you guys. Now, since my car is a 2022 model year, I will use this one, but like I said, I'll put the links for both of them for you guys. Now, there are good news and bad news. So for this to work, you have to have the Premium Plus or the Luxury package, which means the Premium Plus and the Luxury package has the power folding mirrors, but you have to do it manually. With this, you can make it automatic. But if you have the base model, there's a 99% chance that you probably don't have it. But it's kind of weird. Lexus is weird because some base model come with that feature. Maybe back in the days, people used to order the car and then put that in there, but Lexus don't let you order cars anymore. So let me go in the car and show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you have this button right up here, that means you have the power folding mirrors, so that little device will work. But if you don't have this up here, that means you don't have that option. So don't even try to buy it, or else it'll be a waste of money. Now, to install this, it's underneath of here. There's a screw right here on your left, and there's one right there on your right, and there's another one right up here. So what we gonna have to do is to start the car and turn the steering wheel around so we can get to those two screws, and then I'll do this one down here, and then somehow we're gonna have to remove the steering wheel cover. Now, this looks like it's gonna be a little bit difficult to do, but it shouldn't be that hard. Now that's the screwdriver, and I have a trim remover right here. All right, what I'm gonna do now is start the car up, and I will pull my seat back, and then you see I'll turn it. As you can see, we have one screw right here. Gonna unscrew it, and if you turn the wheel again, we have another one right here. All right, I got this one off. Now probably turn it back, and then I can get this screw right in there. Now it looks like it's gonna be a challenge to remove this. You see that this is this steering wheel control right here, and it's like it's in a hole right there, and you can't move it from this side first. It looks like I have to move it from the right side first, and then I can go to this side right here. It looks like I got this side. Let me try pull this out a little bit. Let's see, there we go. Alright, finally we got it off. You see that blue plug right here? You're gonna disconnect that one. This is our device right there. So this one will go in here, and this will go in there. You see, this is our blue plug right here. So I'm just gonna disconnect this one, and then I'll plug it into that one right here, like that, you see. And then this one will go where that one was, and it's just gonna stay like this. And what you can do at this point is try to lay it somewhere here, and then once you put the plastic trim back, it'll hold it. So let's test this real quick and see if it works. Let's find out. So this is the car right now. If I lock the door, see, it folds. Oh my goodness. And then if I unlock it, yes sir, yes sir, we're gonna lock it again. You see, it fold, and we're gonna unlock it, and yes sir, my wife is gonna love this because she has to do this manually every time. Now she doesn't have to do this anymore. Oh yeah. All right, so now what we are going to do is put the plastic string back, and we'll be all set. Then what I do is turn the car on and then spin the wheel and screw the last two screws, and then that's it. Okay guys, just like that we are all set, and as you can see, everything put back together nice and feet all done, all set. Again, we're gonna lock the doors, and you can see they fold by themselves. You see, Lexus, that's all you had to do. That's all you had to do, Lexus. It's not that hard. Anyways, if you are new to the channel, thank you for stopping by, and thank you guys for watching, and take care. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. I will see you guys in the next one. And this is how you get automatic power folding mirror on your Lexus GX460. But like I said, you have to make sure you have the feature for the power folding mirror first. If you don't have that feature in your car, do not buy it. All right guys, take care. I will see you guys in the next one.